Hello guys, welcome to Juba Keys. Live in Coinmarketcap. So I'm bringing you news updates for Coinmarketcap today. So what news is moving the market this week? So say Coinmarketcap some tips and tricks for navigating crypto space. Check out how this week's NFT collections are doing, why the network hacker returned the funds, and how to avoid scams in decentralized finance. So that's right. Coinmarketcap Alexandria pictured is a huge place you can find everything you need on. So these guys, this is an update on Coinmarketcap. So they are going to be covering some stories such as most trending ones relating to the decentralized finance hacking that was of polling network that was hacked, and reasons why the returned the funds that was hacked. So we have NFTs forever here, non-fungible tokens. As for many of NFTs, are definitely staying in the spotlight. By checking out CoinMarketCap's NFT collections, you can see which NFT collections sold for how much and how much the entire collection is worth. So guys, dropping this in the description box so you can see the NFTs collections and see how much they are worth. They have the polling network hacker return the funds, but why? So earlier this week, one of the biggest hacks in decentralized finance key subjects when the code leads to a loss of money. This by his or her mind, the hacker was saved the project by taking the funds in such a public way. Wow. But guys, you can drop your thoughts on this happening in comment section box below. So Uch, these projects are on fire. So we have one each token network has been around for a while, but that doesn't mean that this test aggregator protocol is old news yet. Yes, there's another Dodge platform this time, for this time it's Strong Dodge, which is to keep away fraud while also donating to shelter dogs. We'll see about that. Plus, don't forget about CryptoKitties, the original NFT horse project that broke Ethereum way back in 2017, back when cats ruled and dogs ruled. So for those who can't bother to read, okay, on CoinMarketCap you can also listen to podcasting. You can listen to podcasts of crypto news. It's more like a you just listen to weddings and everything without having to make eye contact. So that's the benefit. So here there are some updates too where you can get. So let us teach you little something about how to avoid decentralized finance scams. So these are the tips on how to avoid this scam. Say avoid low liquidity pools, set low slippage, overpay on gas. So if you place a trade on DEX and notice that you received less than expected when it was finalized, chances are you've been front run. So what is front running and how can you avoid it? We've compiled the most important tips. So overpay on gas, set slow slippage, and so guys, you really need to read more on this if you want to be secure in trading decentralized finance tokens. Or say if you want to know more on new crypto info, take a look at Alexandria. So okay, fan tokens, they have fan tokens, sports, NFTs. It says here with Messi's new contract with PSG help the PSG tokens price. Definitely, because as of recording, PSG fan token is currently worth about $42. So I think it's going to push it forward. So you guys, thanks for watching. If you find this update helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I'm dropping the links you can so you can get access to this info. So one love guys, peace out.